How do you create a YouTube channel? So you probably have heard of YouTube, and you probably have heard that you can create a YouTube channel, but how do you actually create a YouTube channel, and how do you do it right? Well, in order for you to create a YouTube channel, the first thing you need to have is to have a Google account. Now, if you already use Gmail, or you use Google Docs, or you use Google Drive, or you have an Android phone where you have Google connected, you probably already have a Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account, the first thing you need to do is to create a Google account. But in most likelihood, you already have a Google account. So what do you do? Now, before you get started, you might want to consider having a separate Google account that is different from the one you use for your regular Gmail or your regular Google Drive for the purpose of security. So you probably want to separate the Google account that you use on YouTube from the normal Google account that you use for your everyday today activities. Now, if that is the case, then it means that you want to create another Google account. If you, however, decide to use your regular Google account, the one you use for your everyday use, then what you want to do is you want to just come to google.com if you are not already signed in, and then you want to sign into that your Google account. But for those who are just starting, I recommend you actually watch this video to the end, so that you can discover how not to do things and what to do right. And then you can make a decision between if you want a personal Google account or a business account. I'm going to cover that shortly. So what you want to do is, if you're already logged into your Google account, you probably want to log out of your Google account. And then you want to come to Google account if you don't have a Google account. And then you want to click sign in here. Now, when you sign in, when you click to sign in, Google is going to ask you if you already have an account. So if you have an account, you want to sign into that account here. If you don't have an account, then you want to come here and you want to create an account. Now, when you choose to create an account, you have three options. You can create an account for your personal use, which is what you probably already have if you have a Gmail account. You have an account that is created for your personal use. You can create an account if you want for your child, something like that. Then the third option is that you can create an account for your work or business. And I would recommend that you choose the third option, where you're creating an account for your business, which is a business account. Now, the reason why you want to do this is you want to think of a big picture when you're starting. Now, it's not bad if you create a personal account, but then if you create a personal account, it means that if in the future you need someone to work on your YouTube account, probably you have a team and you want someone to work on your YouTube account, it means that you have to give them the login to your account in order for them to do that. But when you create an account for business, you can kind of create a segregated account for each person who works on your channel, and then you can give people access to your channel without compromising the security of your main account or without exposing your main account. So I would recommend that you go ahead and just create a business account for your YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go for create a business account. Then when you create a business account, what you want to do next is you want to add your name. So you put in your first name, you put in your last name, you put in your email. Now, please note that whatever email you choose at this point is going to be the email that is associated with your Google account, and it's going to be the name associated with your YouTube. So you should choose an email which you are comfortable with, and then If you want to use your current email address, you can also just go ahead and use your current email address here. And then also you want to put in your password. You want to confirm your password and make sure that you have a strong password. And once you do that, you create a Google account, and then you can now from that point create a YouTube channel, because a YouTube account will be created for you once you create a YouTube a Google account, and then you can create your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to do that now, and then I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel right. Once your channel is created, the next thing you want to do is you want to come back to youtube.com. So you just type youtube.com in your browser, and then you want to go to the icon right here at on your top right hand, and you want to click that icon to drop down. That's actually your profile icon, and then you want to create a channel. Now once you click to create a channel, you want to pick the name for your channel, and here you can put in any name you want for your channel. So you put in the name for your channel. Now here you should think about what name you want to put for your channel and all of that, but then you can always edit this later by going to the settings, and then you can change the settings. So I'm just going to pick a random name for my channel here, and I'm going to do and search for that. Now if that name is not available, you would be told that the name is not available, and if the name is available, you would also be told that the name is available. You could also upload a profile picture at this point, but then you can always come back to do that. So let's just create a YouTube channel here first. So I'm just going to do create channel, and then if that name is available, your channel will be created and you can start uploading videos immediately. So that name is available, and you can see my channel has now been created, and I can start uploading videos. So I can actually upload a video right now, and I'll be ready to go. So that's how to create a YouTube channel. But then once you have created your YouTube channel, there are a few things you need to quickly check out. So you just go back to your icon, and then you can now go to YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio is the back end where you do all your work. YouTube Studio is that area of YouTube where only you see. That's where your subscribers, your viewers don't see this section of your channel. This is for you. This is where you do your work. This is where you see your analytics. This is where you see everything that is happening on your YouTube, and this is where you can actually work on your channel and work on how you grow your channel and see things in real time. So what you do first is you want to go to your settings, and then you want to check your settings to be sure that things are properly done on your settings. So right here on your settings, you want to check out your channel. So you go to the channel tab, and then you click on channel, and then you want to look for you can choose your country of residence here. So you pick your country of residence, you can pick keywords and all of that. But for now, what we want to look at is your feature eligibility. Now, when you go to your feature eligibility, you want to make sure that your account is verified. Now, if you have not verified your phone number, then you want to do that here. All right. If you have not verified your phone number, then some of the features here you will not be eligible for. For instance, if you have not verified your phone number, you will not be able to upload videos that are over 15 minutes. You would also not be able to use custom thumbnails, and custom thumbnails are a very key part of making your channel grow and making your channel work. So you would also not be able to live stream if you have not verified your phone. So if you notice for any reason that you get here under feature eligibility and you notice that some of these things you are not eligible for, you want to make sure that you do a verification, and then you verify to be sure that your YouTube channel is properly set up. So once you have done that, congratulations, you have created a YouTube channel, and then you can just start uploading your first video. But before you upload your first video, you should see the next video in this playlist that talks about you creating a brand, or for you to customize your channel. So you have to do some customization for your channel, where you have to upload your profile picture. You have to do a lot of little settings, your branding and all of that for your channel. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do that step by step. Congratulations, you have a YouTube channel. Bye bye.